7 we will review the key learnings offered and summarize the core principles and techniques presented in this section on designing for immersive experiences. The objectives of this chapter are to summarize the key takeaways for this course and help you understand where your new knowledge can be implemented. This chapter will also discuss portfolio requirements and help you understand how you can start developing a portfolio. To end off, in Part 3 we will emphasize the importance of further learning and guide you to explore additional courses and resources. Agenda: this chapter consists of 7 parts that will help you achieve the objectives. You can expect a few interactive aspects on some of the parts that will reinforce what you have learnt. We are nearing the end of this course, so let us review the key takeaways for each chapter. In the first chapter we introduced the context of AR, VR and XR and discussed why good design is essential for immersive technologies. In Chapter 2 we provided an overview of the basic design elements and principles. Can you still remember what the basic elements of design are? In Chapter 3 we applied the knowledge and principles we covered in the first 2 chapters to designing for immersion, and encountered key words such as immersion and presence, graphic fidelity, haptic feedback, visual hierarchy, and more. Can you still remember what all these terms mean? We also engaged more deeply with some design tools that can be used to create a sense of presence in immersive experiences, building up to the discussion of visual storytelling. Visual storytelling is one of the most powerful ways in which users can be made to feel present in the virtual or augmented experience. In Chapters 4 to 5 we explored more specific ways in which visual design could be used in metaverse technologies. Chapter 4 provided an in-depth discussion of context-specific design considerations. We explored AR design considerations for integrating digital overlays with the physical world. We then considered VR-specific considerations, especially how to design for user comfort. In Chapter 5 we provided a brief overview of various software tools and their specific features. Can you remember which tools are suitable for specific tasks? In Chapter 5 we also emphasized the importance of prototyping and testing as part of the design process. In Chapter 6 we discussed 3 case studies to illustrate how all the design principles come together in real projects. We looked at an AR game, a VR shop, and VR and mixed reality training applications. Chapter 6 also provided an overview of the hardware that might be needed for the various applications.